Hey there, fellow RockStar entrepreneur. Ben Littlefield here, coming at you from the secret layer on behalf of the RockStar team. This may be a little bit more of a serious message, but I think it's a fun message still because there is some real benefit and opportunity in what I'm going to discuss here. We're in uncertain times right now. That's a fact. Prices have never been higher on things. And in some things, prices are crashing. We see real estate in some areas still going up and inflation out of control. Anything from fuel costs, energy costs, getting more and more expensive. Just buying groceries costs, at least my family, almost double what it did just a year and a half ago. We see signs that we might be looking at a real estate crash. We might see jobs start disappearing. All this stuff. And like, it's all just a bunch of nonsense to some, and it's all very real to others. But it doesn't matter which side of that spectrum you're on, whether you think it's nonsense or you think it's real. What is real is that we know we are in uncertain times. And uncertainty isn't fun. It's uncomfortable. It's not something we like. Now, what I'm going to say is going to hopefully make this better. There is a cure to uncertainty. In uncertain times, we must make certain decisions to take control, to get out of our way, to get unstuck. I cannot tell you how many people I've spoken with just in the last 3 weeks. I have heard people tell me basically the same thing over and over again. Essentially, it boils down to people are feeling like they are in a state of flux, like somehow they're stuck. Like somehow everything's in the way. They're waiting. Well, we're just waiting for this to change. Waiting for these signals to change. I'm not going to make a move on this big life decision I need to make now until some other thing that I have no control of happens. But what you do have control of is being certain in your decision. You can make a decision in these uncertain times. Uncertain times require certain choices and decisions to be made. And I want to talk about this today because I think what we need to know is that, hey, opportunity still exists in good times, in bad times, in between times. In fact, what I'm going to talk about and what I hope you pay close attention to, and especially as I discuss in just a moment, the difference between income and wealth and building a business versus building an empire.